My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Jellymatch.site. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by Jellymatch.site. These pop-ups may be integrated into some file download resources. When people try to download some file through such resources, they may instead see this Jellymatch.site pop-up. But these pop-ups are actually offered to download some other file, which is often malicious. If you see these pop-ups by Jellymatch.site, do not interact with them, do not install anything that these pop-ups suggest, and do not download anything. Such pop-ups could be the consequence of some adware on the system too. I recommend that you carefully investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.